Welcome to Metal Building Outlet's Window Fundamentals video, where we will discuss building design considerations, accurate window placement, tips, and safety. Windows can transform your metal building, bringing in natural light and airflow, as well as adding design aesthetic. Detailed specifications are key to ensuring that your supplier provides a proper metal building design that accurately places your windows and doors in the building. Keep in mind, the absence of a design professional or architect guiding the overall project will require you, the owner, to be responsible for providing the design criteria. The type of window you put in your building is often related to the building's use. You may consider installing upper windows to let natural light further into the workspace, sliding windows to allow airflow, or fixed windows which provide a tighter seal. The type of window you choose for your building may affect your rough opening size, so it is important to know this up front. There are differences between commercial-rated and residential windows. Aluminum thermal broken frames are most common in commercial applications. Wintec is a popular commercial metal building window supplier that gives you the option to choose your window framing color. Residential windows such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass frames can work as well, often at a lower price. Overall window thermal performance is a function of the glazing, frame, and perimeter details. Typically, the overall goal in a climate-controlled workspace is to achieve the best possible daylight transmission while minimizing heat or cold transmission. Glass can be specified as insulated double pane, non-insulated single pane, low E Energy Star rated, or to a specific code if known up front. For simplicity, to provide your building with a clean, streamlined look, and to ease the cost of construction, try to keep window sizes the same. It is also recommended that you order your windows with plenty of lead time. This allows you to inspect the glass and verify that the windows are correct, preventing any possible construction delays. The components of a window opening from Metal Building Outlet consist of structural framing made of 16-gauge C-channel with a finished J-trim to help seal the assembly and provide a finished look. The depth of this framing commonly matches the building girt depth of 8 to 12 inches for a flush interior framing condition. Optional jamb, header, and sill trim coverings may be added for an interior finished look. The top C-channel, referred to as the window header, and your bottom C-channel, referred to as the window sill, are supported by two channels referred to as window jambs. When ordering windows, verify that the outside rough opening measurement is a 1/4 inch larger on all sides. For example, a 4 foot wide by 3 foot high opening takes a window size of 3 foot 11.5 by 2 foot 11.5, which is standard. Window and door framing locations are commonly the most prone to air leaks and energy loss. Air leak testing is a current code requirement that is slowly being implemented by building departments nationwide. Make sure you spend extra time ensuring gaps around windows and doors are foam-filled and sealed. It also helps to tape all loose insulation tabs and ends terminating into the steel framing. A window frame can be ordered factory or field located if the buyer has not determined the exact location. This is common. An experienced building erector often places the window to follow the high ribs of the exterior metal panel for a clean look and seal. Too many times we see window framing specified as field located, but the location and sill height, important design criteria, are missing. The sill height, or bottom of the window height off the finished floor, is probably the most important measurement needed and can vary. Different variables such as an office sitting position or to a shop where the user is primarily standing can affect this. It is common to see sill heights 24 to 30 inches off the finished floor for offices and 48 inches for shops. A field-located framing kit can be sized correctly by the Metal Building Design team. Here, an actual field-located window frame kit with no vertical adjustment opportunities and required modifications in the field is shown. Here shows flexibility in window placement both vertically and horizontally. It is important to provide proposed window locations to avoid relocation of bracing in the field. A metal building needs bracing. It is implemented into the overall design, preventing frames from racking or toppling over during construction, and carries through as a critical component in the overall design and certification. Bracing is necessary to control horizontal deflection of the superstructure frame to prevent door, window, and interior finish cracking or deformations. If you are planning to place a window in a section of the building where there is X-bracing, you either have to remove it and install a portal frame, or leave the bracing in place over the window. These changes need to be done in the metal building design stage prior to fabrication. If you can live with a cable from the X-brace crossing in front of the window pane, the cost of this special portal frame can be avoided. It is important to consider the bracing placement as well as the types of bracing. It is important that you do not place windows, especially windows that slide open, high up in the building without fallout protection for children. Installing the upper windows can be dangerous, so make sure you have the proper lifting equipment for the installation. Windows within 18 inches from the finished floor should be tempered glass. This is an essential code to follow when it comes to design. Windows should also meet the local code and wind load design requirements for safety. Metal Building Outlet can help you with ordering your windows with your specifications. Contact a representative today for help configuring your project with window options. For more information, visit metalbuildingoutlet.com.